Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, August 6th. It is a beautiful, calm morning this morning. Cloudy, overcast, marine layer. The water is like glass out there. There's no breeze. It's mild. Slept good last night. Needed that. I didn't sleep well the night before. It's supposed to be a nice day. It's supposed to clear up. I'll be heading down to my first concert tonight. I'll be seeing Hermanos Gutierrez. Really excited about that. Okay, so let's get started. All right, August 6th. Feels dark out here. Hope I can read. There is always more room to maneuver than you think. Apply yourself to thinking through difficulties. Hard times can be softened, tight squeezes widened, and heavy loads made lighter for those who can apply the right pressure. Have you ever been hopelessly losing a game that suddenly broke wide open and you won? Remember that time when you thought you were certain to fail the test, but with an all-nighter and some luck, you managed to eke out a decent score? That hunch you pursued that others would have given up on, that turned out brilliantly. It's that kind of energy and creativity and, above all, faith in yourself that you need right now. Defeatism won't get you anywhere except defeat. But focusing your entire effort on the little bit of room, the tiny scrap of an opportunity, is your best shot. An aide to Lyndon Johnson once remarked that around the man there was a feeling if you did everything, you would win. Everything. Or as Marcus Aurelius put it, if it's humanly possible, you can do it. That's a good one. That's a good one. Takes effort and a good mindset. All right, that's what I'm going to focus on today. I can do it. I can fit through that small little space. Have a lovely Tuesday, everybody. Not sure if I'll be posting tomorrow morning or not, as I will not be in town. Take care. Follow. Have a great day.